Imagine this. You're sitting at a red light, radio on, windows down, just a normal Tuesday. Then, bump. Someone taps you from behind, 20 miles an hour, maybe 30. You look in the mirror, annoyed, not scared. And then, you smell it. Gasoline. 30 seconds later, you're screaming inside a fireball. This isn't some horror movie. This actually happened, over and over again, to regular people driving the cheapest little car on the road, the Ford Pinto. Between 1971 and 1980, Ford sold over 3 million of them. Cute, affordable, perfect for your first car. But there was a problem. The gas tank was bolted right behind the rear bumper, separated from the road by just 9 inches of flimsy sheet metal. Any rear-end collision over 25 miles per hour, the tank ruptures. Gasoline sprays everywhere. One spark, and the whole car goes up like a matchbox. And here's the part that still makes people's blood boil today. Ford knew. Their own engineers crash-tested the Pinto years before it ever hit a showroom floor. They watched it explode in slow motion. They documented every flaw. Fixing it? Super simple. An $11 plastic bladder or a cheap metal shield. Done. Total cost to fix every car? About $137 million. But Ford's accountants had a different number. Expected cost of lawsuits, settlements, and dead customers? $49 million. So, they did the math and decided it was cheaper to let people burn. The worst case happened in 1972. California highway. A station wagon barely taps a Pinto from behind. 30 miles per hour. Nothing dramatic. The Pinto explodes. The driver, a woman named Lily Gray, dies instantly. Her passenger? A 13-year-old boy named Richard Grimshaw. He's burned over 90% of his body. He survives, but he'll never be the same. The jury? They were furious. They hit Ford with a $125 million verdict, one of the biggest punitive damage awards in American history. Then, the smoking gun leaked. An internal memo, written by Ford executives, where they literally put a dollar value on human life. $200,000 per death, $67,000 per injury. Cold, calculated, on paper. That document didn't just kill the Pinto's reputation, it killed any trust people had left in the company. By 1978, the pressure was too much. Ford recalls 1.5 million Pintos. They quietly pay out hundreds of millions in secret settlements. And overnight, the entire auto industry moves fuel tanks to safer locations, a change that has saved thousands of lives since. So the next time someone bumps your car at a stoplight and all you get is a little dent, be grateful. Because you're not driving the most evil bargain in American automotive history, the Ford Pinto. Cheap to buy, deadly to crash. And a reminder that sometimes, cutting corners costs lives. Drop a fire emoji if this story made your blood boil. See you in the next one.